2-bedroom unit, 110 square meter in Park McKinley West, worth 42 million pesos with rent-to-own terms. 54,000 per month, payable up to 3 years. Check natin to. Tara. So for the actual unit, this will be your main door. And from your main door, this will be the kitchen area. So maganda dito guys dahil open bar type kitchen to. So meaning habang gumagawa tayo ng mga gawain, nagluluto, kita natin yung living area. And also, it comes with range hood for induction cooktop with built-in microwave oven. And guys, kasama na rin tong soft close cabinets. Up and down yan, paikot ng kitchen. Meron na rin tayong sink and faucet. Retractable na to. And granite countertop yan, guys. And for the refrigerator and your smart home equipped ready video intercom. And guys, ang maganda dito, kahit 2-bedroom unit to, meron tong extra room for maids area / storage at may kasama na yung split type aircon with toilet and bath. Ito yung living area guys and dining area. So, kita nyo naman kung gano'ng ka-spacious yan. Okay. At may access yan sa balcony. Tara, check natin yung first bedroom. For the first bedroom, meron tong cabinets and split type aircon, and you have also the access to your balcony. Tara, check naman natin yung common toilet and bath. For toilet and bath, what you see is what you get: floor to ceiling tiles, complete sanitary fittings, motion sensor na yan. And this is your master's bedroom area. Ganda, grabe, napaka-spacious, napaka-aliwalas, and also meron niyang access sa balcony. So again, this is a 110 square meter unit in Park McKinley West, 2-bedroom, worth 42 million pesos. And if you prefer cash term, we can get up to 20 to 25% discount. Tara, check natin itong master's toilet and bath. Yan, napaka-aluwag. Guys, sa toilet and bath, as is na yan, wala ka nang idadagdag, konting gamit na lang. And if you're interested and if you want to know more about this project, you can message me on my details on your screen. Bye-bye, I'm Christian Carino from Mega World.